Thanks for joining me for our midday movement. This exercise will get you nice, loose, and limber for the rest of your day. This is a great practice that you can do while sitting in your chair because boxing has two parts, the lower body and the upper body. This has us working on our skill, our mobility, and also our cardio. First thing we're going to do is cat-cow. I want you to take a deep breath in while pulling your shoulder blades back and sticking your chest out, and then rounding your back while you exhale. From here, I want you to have your right hand touch your left foot and your left hand be straight up in the air. From here, we can switch sides. One more time. And back to center. From this position now, I want you to bring your chest as close as you can to your thighs. Bring your arms out to the side. Take a deep breath and then exhale, bringing your arms down to touch your toes. Once more. Come back to center. We're now going to throw some punch combinations from sitting in the chair. First, bring your hands up to your face. We're going to throw the 1, 2, 5, 6. 2 straight punches, 2 uppercuts. This is the number 1, left jab. Number 2, right hand. Number 5, left uppercut. And number 6, right uppercut. We're going to try and put all those together in sequence. We're going to start with throwing the 1, 2, 5, 6. One more time. This time, exhale every time you throw the punch. 1, 2, 5, 6. Now we can put them all together and make sure you're still exhaling with every punch. Now let's pick up the pace. One more time. Because we don't have use of our legs, you want to make sure you're really using your hips, especially when you're twisting for those uppercuts. Let's try it one more time for 3 combinations. Hands down, and take a deep breath or 2. One more. I hope you enjoyed that midday stretch, and I hope it makes you feel nice for the rest of your day. Thank you.